Right now, I'm at the parking lot at my apartment building, and we about to go have some like nice Thai food for dinner. And guess what? My car battery died, and my husband had to go bring his truck to come, to jump the battery. And now my car is start now, but my husband he ordered the like the tester for the battery or something that he just get got delivered, and right now he go to grab it on at the apartment because he's so exciting. So he like, oh, let's check if it's actually it's work and it's good. I'm like, yeah, I'm starving. I'm so starving, but thanks to him that he know all of this, like how to do all this mechanic things, the basic things. Because me myself, I don't even know how to pop the hood. You know what I mean? Anyway, yeah. Hopefully in a little bit we can go grab some Thai food. I'm starving.